In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. This integration can be a real game changer if you want to keep track of your tasks and events all in one place, making your workflow more efficient and organized. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you first need to open your web browser and navigate to Trello. If you don't have a Trello account yet, you'll need to create one. But assuming you already have an account, the next step would be to select how you'd like to log in. Trello offers a variety of options, whether through your email, Google account, or another third-party service. Choose the option that works best for you. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the specific Trello board that you want to sync with your Google Calendar. Within any board, Trello offers various features, and one of the best ways to harness them is by using power-ups, which are essentially plugins that enhance the board's functionality. Look towards the menu of your board and locate the Power-Ups option. Click on it to browse the available power-ups. Now, within the Power-Ups section, you'll find a wide array of tools and add-ons. The one we are looking for today is the Calendar Power-Up. Once you locate it, go ahead and enable it. Enabling this power-up will enhance your board by allowing you a calendar view of your tasks and deadlines. After you've enabled the calendar power-up, navigate back to your Trello board. You should now see a calendar link, which is usually located at the top right corner of your board. Clicking on this link will switch your board to a calendar view. In this view, there should be a button, often labeled something like Sync to Personal Calendar. This is the key to integrating with Google Calendar. If the synchronization option is disabled, make sure to enable it. Once it's enabled, Trello will generate an iCalendar feed URL uniquely for your board. This URL is what allows for syncing the two platforms. Go ahead and copy this feed URL. Now, it's time to bring Google Calendar into the mix. Open your Google Calendar in a new tab of your browser. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a section titled Other Calendars. Click on the plus icon next to it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the From URL option. You'll be prompted to paste a URL, so insert the iCalendar feed URL you